Hello there everyone and welcome back guys. So today guys we're going to do yet another valet on this Audi Q5. This car has been polished and waxed about a month ago and we're going to top up the protection using the ceramic snow foam. Nothing overcomplicated with the wheels. I just gave them a rinse and I'm using Audi Direct wheel and tire cleaner. For the snow foam pre-wash, we're going to use the one and only Build Hamburg Touchless. Now here for the contact wash, I've already demonstrated this method of washing the car, applying the car soap directly onto the mitt, and this is primarily how this car soap is designed. This Kiwami from Soft 99. It allows me not to use any kind of buckets. I can just apply it straight onto my wash mitt and I can apply it straight onto the brush. I don't normally use a brush, but in this case I kind of wanted to finesse certain areas. However, I can get into a lot of these areas with the wash mitt itself. So now we came to the climax of the video, and here I'm using Finesse Lavish ceramic foam. One of the most satisfying ways of applying any kind of product on the paint. There's a lot to say about this ceramic foams, and I just want to highlight a few things. First of all is the method of application is very easy. We don't have to physically apply it. Basically, it's a touchless application. Second of all, the beading is very impressive. It gets the paint to bead very quickly. What I call from 0 to 60, it gets the paint to bead very quick. Now, the third thing is the coverage. It covers all the areas of the car. All these tight grills that are hard to get into with a cloth, it's all waxed and it will all bead. Now, the durability of this product, obviously you don't want to expect a lot. However, this manufacturer claims it should last about a month, which, to be honest, for me, considering the ease of application, it's very good. I can apply it every month easily, so it's no big deal really. Other thing is, what I'm going to do next in the video is the drying stage. It makes the drying stage a whole lot easier. Now, if you apply this product and if you have a big leaf blower, you can probably get away with drying the whole car by just using the leaf blower. However, I only have this small leaf blower and I use it for areas that hold on to water. Also use it on wheels. And the rest of the areas, I just use a microfiber drying towel. And when this product is applied on the paint, it even makes that process a lot easier. Your microfiber drying towel just glides through the paint with ease and smoothness. A constant dilemma I have is whether should I use a quick detailer on the paint afterwards. Well, 9 times out of 10 I don't have to. However, if I miss a spot where I didn't dry the car, then I'll have to use a QD in certain areas. But the windows, I will still use a window cleaner to finesse them, and then I will obviously apply a tire dressing. But that's about it. So these are the finished result, guys. Unfortunately, I had to use the quick detailer on the paint because it rained and the car was a little bit dusty after I've finished doing the interior, just to present the car to the client at its full best. But the results are amazing. Even using a quick detailer on the paint afterwards was a very good experience. And as you can see, the gloss and shine, it's even better than after I polished the car. So let me know what you think about these kind of product, guys. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next videos.